When Mr. Brown came up and spoke, I think it was the first time somebody was speaking at our school. Mr. Brown came in a suit and very professional-like, and it was just this command for attention. It really helped too that he was part of the minority at our school, and so people weren't familiar with a colored person being on stage, or just in general, just because UPrep was filled with people that were not like me. And so that also that also grabbed my attention. And it gave a lot of people more perspective. It wasn't a lecture, it was more personal. It felt like he was talking to me specifically. I loved that, actually. I loved that he was talking to me. He was very anecdotal, actually. He had examples of what it looked like. Because it was so anecdotal, it made me feel like he was talking to me, because this was a person with his own story, sharing stories that I could relate to. Bringing Mr. Brown in is bringing somebody who wants to relate to your story, because I think everybody can relate to believing in themselves, believing in others, and believing in their future. Everybody needs to hear that those desires are something that everybody wants. Everybody wants to choose well. And he does a really good job at relating to people. He does a really good job at telling people, or showing people and displaying to people, that we all have a story that wants to be heard. Everybody wants to be a part of a good story. And he uses narratives, he uses anecdotes to share what life really requires of us, and that's to be good people, to choose well.